Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how that skip charges from the transaction, how this master set is setting, how it will work. So just have a look. So here in the master setup, I will go to the setting and here I have added one setting, skip charges comparison in transaction. So I have added no. So I will search one old loan. Let's search 26 number. So if I check the transaction, here you can see that charges comparison, that is charges received 20 and received by cash 20. So you can see from here. Now I have added that settings, that setting value is no. Now let's create one loan for this member. So let's say member 2. So I will go to the loan. So personal loan, let's take a 20,000. So here I will take the deduct interest from principal and let's take for 100 days. And in lump sum, so I will write down the 1000 interest and amount per installment 200. So here I will add some document charges for let's say 1000 and add. So now I have added deduct document charges from principal rule also. So let's calculate. So here you can see 20,000 is principal, pay is 18,000, 200 is the installment amount for 100 days and 1000 is the interest. So I will just save this loan. So after that customer loan approval, just go to the new status and change the status to approved and then just disburse this loan from here manually. So you can see this loan number 28 has been created. So I will search this loan number 28 from the search bar. So let's go and check the passbook. So here you can see loan given is 18,000 and charges received 1,000 and interest received 1,000. So total recoverable amount is 20,000. Now I will go and check the transaction details. Let's check the transaction details. So here you can see there is no comparison of charges. Charges received 1000 and interest applied is 1000. So total loan given is 18,000. So according to that, so the customer wants to pay, let's say 600. So I will receive as on this date. So now I will go and check the installment tracker. So here you can see 200 is received for 3 installments. So 3 installment is received successfully. So this type we can apply different rules and different settings while creating a loan and we can manage our business in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.